Rainforest Seafoods is a Jamaican-based company, and it has its branch here in Belize since 2010. It's an exporter of seafood products. We purchase seafood products from fishermen who bring them here to our dock. We receive them here and we process them right through until finished products here. The freshness of it, the longer we have it here, sitting here, then it loses its freshness and then hence losing quality. So the faster we can get it out, the better it is for us. Because of our present location, we used to take 3 hours going and 3 hours coming back if we're driving, or if not, we have to spend so much money to travel by plane to go and do our application in Belize City and to receive back our license. Now with this system, you can get all your licenses and permit within a couple hours if possible.
这个系统最大的好处就是对于进出口的厂商以及报关行，可以大幅降低他们在办理进出口的作业时间。系统使用者的申请作业流程，其实一切都可以在线上进行。那他只要进到了我们的网站的首页里面，就可以进行注册的动作。这个系统可以直接或间接的让贝里斯的贸易量增长，然后活络贝里斯的经济活动。
In any business, time translates to money, so we can cut costs by using this system.